We are very excited to launch a new feature called Progress Plan. This will help teachers to plan their lessons within the classroom. So you jump into record keeping. This can be done by the administrator or the teacher. You can click on Progress Plan. You then choose the framework. There's different frameworks to choose from, but there's the Montessori, there's the Elder, the CAPS, the ECD. We have preloaded these for the administrator to access, and those are customizable. So this is for Montessori for the early childhood. I can filter it by the child's first name or by the age. When you click on art, for example, I know there's 7 lessons with an art. All I do now is I can tick the boxes. So I know that on my framework, I've chosen green to be mastered, red to be nothing, blue is introduced, and purple is practiced. I will put a color key up here going forward though. So the teacher basically just say, I want to introduce Brittany to chalk pastels, Camilla, Dean, Grace, James, and she just ticks through all the names. She may then want to go through and do the same for a different subject. Let's go into language, cursive writing on paper. And I now want to just go through and select maybe a few children there and there. So when I go through and I click on View Plan, what that does is it pulls through all the children by name, and the teacher can now literally click on the print icon to print out all of those different lessons. So, for example, Brittany, she needs to be introduced for the upcoming week for chalk pastels and lower and uppercase letters. The current progress is introduced. That's the last time that it was recorded. She could print this out and the teacher could just click it, just tick this off manually in class. And then they could come back to this at another point, and then just all they have to do is say, okay, fine, it's been introduced twice. I now want to click on that little button over there. And it defaults to practiced. Once I click Upload Report, it's going to wipe it off. There we go, so it's gone. So Brittany's just got this one left. So for practice now, the teacher clicks on that. It defaults to practiced. Upload report. So now Brittany has been marked off, and it basically automatically removes it from the plan. If I click the back button, you'll notice a red little box over here. That is a quick way to identify that you've got 13 lessons within the plan. So there's 13 ticks over there, and there's 4 in there. So that's just a quick way to identify it. So I hope that's a useful feature. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.